Welcome back. It is the same day as the last video. Gotcha. Today, working on bushings, rear subframe. What we got here is Condor Speed Shop, rear subframe bushings, and then Garagistic diff bushing that goes in the subframe. So I want to get these in. They came with a quick tutorial on what, or I guess instructional on what goes where. Key thing to note, there is two sets, different sizes, kind of heights, and then this one's got the recess for the shoulder bolt threaded rod thing that goes in the front side, or yeah. So make sure you separate these and go from there. So pretty much just going to grab the right ones, press these in. They're pretty. May need a little massaging, but not much at all. Line them up. Grip strength and a little bit of hammering. Front side done. See if this diff bushing will be. Might not. Woo. Might need to do. Don't want to use that. Sorry for the loud noises, and I might be making too much noise. Ha! 9:55. Beat the late night noises. So rear ones, double check, thin aluminum tube. So this has got a shoulder on it. So you want this side facing down and the ground. So this is this direction. That's comical. There you have it. Diff bushings, rear subframe, all powder coated, all ready to go in the car. So it's a quick video. I wanted to cut this into a couple of different videos for just trying to fuck with the algorithm, see what happens. So here's part 2 of a really short video series. Saw me struggle in the last one with the rear upper trailing arms with those bushings that really sucked. But this one went well, ending the night on something easy. So catch you in the next one. We're one step closer to running car. Thank you.